I think we have another train meet. Well, yeah, we do, but no, it's not.
But I'm in here this time. Your flash
Yep,
is on.
Connor.
Right?
I don't care. Yep. Nope. Union Pacific.
It is.
No way! No freaking way! Kansas City Southern! Sorry.
That's cool.
Now that was rare. That was the rarest ever. That was Kansas City Southern. I've been told I would never see Kansas City Southern. And I'm sorry if you guys did not see that. But that was too cool. And also, I think we got a train meet. Yo, that was too cool. I cannot believe.
Oh. Do you even edit your videos?
No, because I don't have to. But I just cannot believe I seen.
Better content if you do.
Did I get the engine good, guys, with the Kansas City Southern?
I'm trying to break my way through this fence. Oh God. Hey Ryan, do you want a bad one that's sticking to the fence?
No. And what if it meets BNSF? A Union Pacific leading with the Kansas City. Oh wow, there's the end of the first train. That was short. There's the end of the first train.
Back on the track.
Now we're gonna go see how close this next train is. Ayo, sorry if I foamed a little bit with the Kansas City Southern. Yeah, I'm sorry, but we have two trains, but I think that other one down there stopped. But this is the rarest catch I've ever seen on the CSX tracks. So yeah, I'm gonna pause it till this other train comes. Here it comes.
That's gonna be loud if that honks right now.
So cool. Connor, it's not honking.
It's tripping.
Wow. I never realized
Imagine we can just jump on right there.
Nah, we're not. Anyways, bye guys. That was probably my favorite catch on the CSX tracks. There goes the train. Anyways, bye.